show that the family of parabolas y square is equal to 4a into x plus a is self-orthogonal, Okay. From question from orthogonal trajectories of Cartesian curves. Okay, so what we do, first to differentiate, to remove a. If you differentiate, we get 2y into y1 or divided by x, it is y1 is equal to, it's 4a, correct. So we are not able to eliminate a. So what I will do here is, so what I will do simply first, say I will write the question here, okay, best to solve this, okay. I write it here. So y square is equal to 4a into x plus a. Let me take this as 1, fine. Now here when I differentiate this, I get 2y into divided by x, that is y1 is equal to 4a, correct. Differential x is 1, but I am not able to eliminate the a here. So what I will do here, that implies a is equal to 2y y1 divided by 4, that is y1 by 2, fine. Now this value of a I will put in the question. So put a in 1. So y square is equal to 4 into y1 by 2 into x plus a, that is equal to 2y y1, okay. Oh sorry, again this will be what, forgot here. So into 4 is y1 by 2 plus x plus y1 by 2, and that will be equal to 2y y1 into else if you take here, it will be y1 by 2, right. So x plus y1 by 2, fine, am I right? Okay. Now let us open the bracket. So y square is equal to 2x y1 plus 2 cancels, plus, so multiply here, 2 cancels, it will be y square into y1 square, fine. Now see, I can remove y from both sides, that implies y is equal to 2x y1 plus y into y1 square. This is what we have now, okay. Now we can, to find the orthogonal trajectory for Cartesian curve, what is the condition, what is the process? We, after removing the constant a, whatever constant given, we replace dy by dx by minus dx by dy. So right here, so replace dy, I will take this as second, okay, this is second. So replace dy by dx by minus dx by dy, that means I have taken y1 here, no. So here y1 is equal to dy by dx, right, okay. That means, that implies y1 is equal to minus 1 by y1, oh sorry, yeah, y1 is minus 1 by 1. So put it here now, it implies, so y is equal to 2x into minus 1 by y1, right, plus y into minus 1 by y1 square is 1 by y1 square as it is, okay, am I right? So y is equal to 2x into, in place of y input minus 1 by 1, and we have y into y1 square. So this will be now again minus 2x by y1 plus y by y1 square, correct. Now let us take the LCM of it. So we have y is equal to minus 2x plus there is y1 square, okay, 2x LCM is y1 square, fine, LCM is y1 square. So this will be 2x y1 plus y, okay. Now what you can do is, that implies y into y1 square is equal to minus 2x y1 plus y, and that implies y is equal to, what is y, tell me, y is equal to, take it this side, so 2x y1 plus y into y1 square, that is it, am I right? So y is equal to 2x y1 plus y into y1 square. Now I take this as, say, 3. Now see, we got a differential equation in 2s, y is equal to 2x y1 plus y by 1 square. For that, to find the orthogonal trajectories, we replace dy by dx with minus by apply process here, minus 1 by or minus dx by dy or minus 1 by 1. When you apply it, we get the same equation, see both. So both 2 and 3 are same. Therefore, we can write the parabola of s square is equal to 4a into x plus a is self orthogonal. That's it. This is how it's done.